Welcome friends. Today we are visiting Angels Aquarium in Martinagar, Madiwala, PTM layout. So let us cover what are the fishes we have in our store. Firstly, here are the parrots, red parrots and the yellow parrots, which will cost you 800 a pair. They are in stress. And here comes the fluorescent danios, and we have a corridoras. Danios will cost you 75 a pair, and we have zebra convict South American cichlid, which will cost you 300 rupees a pair. And here are the normal Mauli fishes, tiger barbs, rosy barbs, tinfoil barbs and red-eye tetras, which will cost you 60 rupees a pair. Here we have Malawi cichlids, the smaller ones, 60 rupees a pair. And we have some guppies, these are 60 rupees a pair. And these are the flower horns, $2,000 each. Here are some koi fishes, milky koi and orange koi, which will cost you 80 to 150 a pair. And we have some brackish water fishes, scat, and also some sea angels. Scat will cost you 450 a pair. And we have some beautiful Oscars. And we have some blue acaras. It's a cichlid family. It will cost you 450 a pair. And we have all size goldfishes, which will cost you 40 to 60 rupees a pair. We have sugarcane gold, which will cost you 80 rupees a pair. And we have bigger size Malawi cichlids, it's around 5 inches, which will cost you 450 a pair. And we have devils, it's around 6 inches. And we have some angel fishes and guramis, blue guramis. Guramis will cost you 70 rupees a pair, and angels are 120 rupees a pair. Here are some heart-shaped parrots and blood red parrots, which will cost you 850 a pair. And we have some beautiful Oranda goldfishes, red cap and lionhead goldfishes, which will cost you 250 to 300 rupees a pair. And we have platies and red-tailed sharks. Platies will cost you 60 and red-tailed sharks are like 150 rupees a pair. And we have some widow tetras, which will cost you 40 rupees a pair. And we have some tiger sharks, which will cost you 75 rupees a pair. It's around 4 inches. We have red belly piranhas and tinfoil barbs, which will cost you 120 rupees a pair, and the piranhas 200 rupees a pair. And we have a normal flower on, which will cost you 200 rupees each. Here we have moonlight guramis, which will cost you 300 rupees a pair. And we have some beautiful koi fishes, which will cost you 850 a pair. And we have some tiger sharks, bigger size, it's around 12 inches, it will cost you 450 each. So these are the fish varieties what we have. We have some betta fishes also, and we also deal in with imported tanks, 1 meter tank, 2 feet tank, and we also deal with customized tanks, and we have all types of fish medicines, birds medicines, and acid for the tank cleaning. And also we deal with all food products, with the normal and all super premium products also. And filters, we have Sobo, we have Sunsun, we have RS Electricals. We deal with all aquarium accessories. We have hang on back filters, hang on internal filters, and turtle food also. We have bowls of all sizes for your tiny fishes. We have cages for these birds, fancy cages. We have 2 feet cages. We also have this wooden cages, handmade wooden cages for your budgies, finches. And we also have cages for cockatiels. And we also have a pair of a cocktail. It's around 8 months old. It's very active. If you're looking for budgies, we also have budgies. All are breeding pairs, which will cost you 600 rupees a pair. And we have some zebra finches, which will cost you 500 rupees a pair. So these are the products what we have, what we deal in. So please walk in freely. Thank you.